So now we're doing BF.B5, solve logarithm showing the knowledge of inverses. Or, we could actually just have a question that says find the inverse as well. I like these ones a little better, so that's why I picked them. So we're going to solve for x, we're going to round to 3 decimal places, and then we will check our answer. So here we go. So we have a base here. I'm going to highlight it. This is a base, and I know it's a base because it has an exponent. That exponent is a variable, so that means we have to get rid of these first before we do anything. So we got to get rid of the 1. So we have 3e to the x, those cancel, 6.3. Then we have to divide off the 3. Okay? Those are going to cancel, so I'm left with e to the x is equal to 2.1. From here, now we can get rid of the base. The opposite of a base is a log, so we're going to use log e, but log e doesn't exist. What exists is natural log, or ln. And what that's going to do is it's going to cancel these, so I'm left with x equals the ln of 2.1. That's a fantastic answer. I would like to go farther if we could. I'd like to show you how to make sure we know what that means. Right? I just don't want to use ln 2.1. It's that we want to actually know what it means. So let's go ahead and the ln button 2.1 on our calculators, and we get 7.742. So this is 0.742. And we can substitute this in and check our work. So I'm going to put that in, and it's supposed to equal 7.3. So let's go ahead and try that. So here we go. So we have 3 second ln for e, 0.742 plus 1. We get 7.300. So that is almost spot on. That is the right answer. We're good to go. Number 2, we have our logarithm here. So I'm going to highlight the whole logarithm. Okay, much larger, right? But that minus 2 is still there, so we got to get rid of that first. And then we can get rid of the logarithm. Now, logarithms I like to get rid of by using a base. So what's going to happen is whatever number's here is going to be your base. And then the log that we had is going to be your exponent now. So notice our problem turned into an exponent. Okay, so it turned into exponent. Kind of crazy, right? So we're going to do the exponent. So 4 to the 4th power, I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but I do know that these are going to cancel. So I'm left with x plus 6 on the left, and then 4 to the 4th power I'm going to use my calculator for. So that would be 4 to the 4th power is 256. So we have 256, and then we're going to subtract 6. Okay, then we're going to put this in and check our answers. We have log 4, 250 plus 6 minus 2, and it's supposed to equal 2. I'm going to put in the calculator like this. I'll just put it all in at once. Saves myself some time. So 250 plus 6 divided by log 4 minus 2. I'll hit enter on that, and it does equal 2, so we're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to skip that, showing you in the calculator. And that's it. That's it. Now, on the test, as well as here, we have some A-level questions that I'm not going to actually go over. But again, hopefully you have enough to figure it out. Notice there's a negative here. Here you're finding out the rate. Here you're doing something kind of, it's pretty simple, but if you don't understand the concept, it's really hard. And then here we have a tic-tac-toe or factoring question to solve. So that's how we're going to get an A on our test, but I won't go over them. So if you need questions on them, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. That is Station 4. Pretty straightforward. Have a good day. Bye.